Hi guys, welcome to Tune Basics, the series that teaches you how to play the basics. Today, we'll be looking at that ever so famous song that everybody knows, that you usually sing after you sing the happy birthday song, For He's a Jolly Good Fellow, and how to play it on a diatonic harmonica.
So here we have a harmonica. This harmonica is in the key of C, but don't worry if yours is not in the key of C, because the numbers are the important part. In this lesson, if you see this red arrow pointing this way, it means blow into the harmonica. But if you see this blue arrow, it means breathe in through the harmonica. Got it?
Now for this tutorial, we'll be using bends. Now don't worry if you don't know how to use bends. There's a link in the description below to some awesome bending tutorials. Here's what For He's a Jolly Good Fellow looks like when it's written down in the key of C. And here is how it sounds. Let's take a closer look at phrase 1. Blow into 1. Blow into 2 3 times. Breathe in through 1. Blow into 2. Breathe in through 2 and bend the note to produce F. And blow into 2. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 2, blow into 2. Breathe in through 1 3 times. Blow into 1. Breathe in through 1. Blow into 2. And blow into 1. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 3, blow into 1. Blow into 2 3 times. Breathe in through 1. Blow into 2. Breathe in through 2 and bend the note to produce F. And breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A twice. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. For phrase 4, breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 3 and bend the note to produce A. Blow into 3. Breathe in through 2 and bend the note to produce F. Breathe in through 1. And blow into 1. And practice this until you end up with something that sounds like this. Now try putting all the phrases together. And there you have it. And remember, if you're the type of person who prefers learning the harmonica using tabs, then click on the link in the description below to go to my tabs page. And guys, don't forget to look out for parts 2 and part 3 of this tutorial, in which I'll show you how to play the same song on the same type of harmonica, but in different positions on the harmonica. And until next time, stay tuned. Hi guys, just wanted to say a big thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also don't forget I've got a store on Amazon. There's a link in the description below. If you're looking for a new instrument, that would be a good place to start. Also, I've got links in the description to lots of other things like my Facebook account, my Instagram, my Twitter. I'd love to catch up with you guys there. So until next time, stay tuned.